Viewers, there is almost a twist a day in the Antilia Ambani bomb scare case. Today, much against the narrative being put out by the Maharashtra government on the reasons behind the transfer of ex-Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh, the state's Home Minister, Mr. Deshmukh, contradicted the official line. In an interview, the Maharashtra Home Minister stunned all by claiming that Parambir Singh was moved out consciously for making unforgivable mistakes in the Antilia Ambani bomb scare case probe. The Home Minister then went on to suggest that Parambir Singh's transfer wasn't routine, but an attempt at ensuring a free and fair probe. First, listen into what the Maharashtra Home Minister says. Now remember, viewers, all of this, of course, is in the backdrop of dramatic developments yesterday, when Parambir Singh, the Mumbai Police Commissioner, was shunted out as boss of the Home Guards. This was done without notice, without intimation, and rather unceremoniously. In fact, Parambir Singh was out of his office so quickly that he wasn't even present, as is customary, to receive his successor. Many people wondered as to what triggered this sudden transfer. At that time, the Shiv Sena spokespeople came out and said, please don't read much into this. This has only happened in a routine exercise. In February, March, routinely, the police force is moved in and moved out. There are transfers. And Parambir Singh had served his time. However, viewers, 24 hours later, as I told you, the Maharashtra Home Minister has come up with a completely contradictory version. Listen to this.
प्रशासकीय बदली नाही आहे, ही बदली जे आमचा तपास चालू आहे NIA आणि ATच्या माध्यमातून, त्यामधले काही मुद्दे पुढे आलेत की ज्या पद्धतीनं पोलीस खात्याचे प्रमुख म्हणजे मुंबई पोलीसचे प्रमुख म्हणून त्यांच्या पोलीस आयुक्तालय कार्यालयात काही गंभीर चुका त्यांच्या सहकार्याच्या माध्यमातून झाल्या आहेत. त्या चुका माफ करण्यालायक नाही, गंभीर चुका आहेत आणि त्यामुळे त्यांची बदली त्यानिमित्तानं करण्यात आलेली आहे. आता चौकशीमध्ये जो काही अहवाल येईल त्या निमित्तानं पुढचे जे काही असेल त्या निमित्तानं कारवाई करण्यात.
The AT has found some unpardonable mistakes that were committed by his colleagues. That is what Anil Deshmukh is saying, viewers. And he said that the Chief Minister and I sat together and took the decision. Parambir's transfer was not a routine transfer. Serious mistakes, mark the words, serious mistakes can't be forgiven. The Chief Minister and I sat together and took the decision. Wanted a fair investigation. Further action will be taken after the final report. Now, viewers, the question here is that can a government that has presided over a sequence or a series of serious mistakes be trusted now to conduct an honest probe? Or was this shunting an eyewash to keep everyone happy, to distance themselves from the police force and the goings-on within the police force? No one knows. But contrast Mr. Deshmukh's claims, his revelations, to those of the Shiv Sena, which is a senior partner in the state government. The Sena has gone to great lengths to say that Parambir Singh's transfer was a routine affair. Listen to this.
नाम नहीं है, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन की ये बातें चलती रहती है. महाराष्ट्र में सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. कल रूटीन ट्रांसफर है, कल की जो ट्रांसफर रूटीन ट्रांसफर से कमिश्नर को बदला है. नए कमिश्नर ने कहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस की प्रतिष्ठा कायम रखने के लिए जो भी उनको करना पड़ेगा वो करें.
महाराष्ट्र सरकार पे किसी तरीके का दबाव नहीं है, ना किसी तरीके का प्रेशर है। और जो भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी नैरेटिव सेट करने की कोशिश करती है उस पर सवाल पूछना मैं मानती हूँ लाजमी नहीं है। सबसे पहले ये ट्रांसफ़र जो हुआ है ये प्रोसीजरल ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं और आए दिन हम सरकार में भी होते हैं, केंद्र सरकार में भी होते हैं, वैसे ही महाराष्ट्र सरकार में हो रहे हैं।
Procedural transfer. It's a procedural transfer. Now, viewers, the contradiction is out. You've seen it yourself. The Home Minister of the state saying one thing, the managers of the government saying another. The implications can be quite devastating. Shiv Sena, first of all, will have to explain why it didn't suspend Parambir Singh if his lapses and those of individuals below him were unforgivable ones. The ex-Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh could be investigated now by the NIA since the Home Minister has virtually hung him out to dry. The rift brought out by these contradictions between the Shiv Sena and the NCP over the Antilia probe could lead to a rupture. Viewers, a rupture. It's already a government that seems to be at different moments speaking at cross purposes. Could this lead to a breaking up? Has the NCP, for instance, decided to distance itself from the rot because it doesn't want any of it to stick to Sharad Pawar and his other lieutenants? Is this a clever distancing, leaving Uddhav Thackeray and his Shiv Sena to deal with the fallout? We don't know. But speculation is rife that maybe the NCP is already beginning to look at the exit door and perhaps in the next few months it will. And you might have either the Aghadi going out of power or a new government in place. We don't know, viewers. This is what is being said. But let's just open this up. Let's ask some basic questions tonight. Sanjay Gupta, leader of the Shiv Sena. I want to ask you, Mr. Gupta, either Anil Deshmukh is lying और द शिवसेना स्पोक्सपर्सन्स आर लाइंग। कौन झूठ बोल रहा है सर और कौन सच बोल रहा है? क्या अनिल देशमुख जी झूठ बोल रहे हैं जब वो कहते हैं कि ये रूटीन ट्रांसफर नहीं था, सीएम और मैंने बातचीत की और अनपार्डनेबल मिस्टेक्स निकले और हमने इसीलिए परमबीर जी को ट्रांसफर कर दिया? तो अब आप मुझे बताइए संजय जी, कौन झूठ बोल रहा है, कौन सच बोल रहा है?
देखिए, ऐसा है, कोई भी झूठ नहीं बोल रहा है। जब भी कोई दो नेता अपना बयान देते हैं तो उनके बयानों में थोड़ा बहुत अंतर विरोध होता है। इसको आप कंट्रोवर्सी बना सकते हैं, मगर ये कंट्रोवर्सल नहीं है। ठीक है, इसको आप किसी भी तरीके से ले सकते हैं। संजय राउत जी ने जब बयान दिया था ये कल की बात है, और आज इस जो बयान दिया है अनिल देशमुख जी ने वो आज की बात है। तो ठीक है, दोनों बयानों में थोड़ा बहुत अंतर विरोध है, मगर जब भी दो व्यक्ति, दो नेता अपना बयान देंगे तो उसमें थोड़ा बहुत अंतर विरोध तो पाएगा ही। इसको आप किस तरह से देखें, ये आपका नज़रिया है।
देखिए, मैं आपको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करता हूं। अगर सवाल पूछा गया, आप ऐसे कह रहे हैं कि थोड़ा बहुत, ये थोड़ा बहुत फर्क नहीं है, ये तो बहुत ही मैसिव फर्क है। अब अगर कल आप कह रहे हैं कि कल शिवसेना से पूछा गया कि भाई क्या धरती गोल है, और वो कहते नहीं जी फ्लैट है, और उनके जो समर्थक हैं सरकार में अगले दिन कहते हैं नहीं जी धरती गोल है, फ्लैट नहीं है, तो सर इसको आप क्या थोड़ा अंतर बताएंगे? मैं तो समझता हूं सर ये जमीन आसमान का अंतर है, स्पेशली ऑन अ सेंसिटिव इशू। तो आपने मेरा जवाब नहीं दिया। ठीक है, अंतर है, कोई बात नहीं, मगर सर कौन सच बोल रहा है और कौन झूठ बोल रहा है? सवाल मेरा ये था। अंतर तो हम सबको दिख रहा है, सुनाई भी दे रहा है, वो तो कोई आप डिनाई नहीं कर सकते।
कुछ बातें
अब मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि सच कौन बोल रहा है और झूठ कौन बोल रहा है, क्योंकि अगर साबित ऐसा होता है कि एक झूठ बोल रहा है या दोनों झूठ बोल रहे हैं या दोनों सच बोल रहे हैं, तो फिर प्रॉब्लम है सर आपकी सरकार के लिए। किसी भी समय से आप किसी भी हिसाब से देख लें, प्रॉब्लम।
सरकार की प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं है इसके अंदर, इसमें
अच्छा, सरकार की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो अगर आप कहते हैं कि पुलिस जो चीफ है मुंबई के, अगर शिवसेना कहती है कि उनका नॉर्मल रूटीन में ट्रांसफर हुआ और होम मिनिस्टर कहते हैं जिनको एक किस्म से मुंबई के पुलिस चीफ रिपोर्ट भी करते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि नहीं भाई इन्होंने बहुत भारी मिस्टेक्स किए हैं, गलतियां की हैं, अनपार्डनेबल जिसको कहते हैं अंग्रेजी में, तो सर ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं कवर अप हो रहा है
में
सच्चाई का कोई ना कोई
राहुल
कोई
सरकार की
नहीं। तो आप मुझे बता दीजिए आप किसकी बात मानते हैं?
सरकार
आप
की
देशमुख साहब की बात मानते हैं कि ठाकरे साहब की बात मानते हैं, उनके जो प्रवक्ता हैं उनकी बात मांगते हैं? आप शिवसेना की बात मांग रहे हैं आज या एनसीपी की? मुझे आप ये बता दीजिए आपको क्या लग रहा है?
देखिए, आपको एक बात करने की बात मिल गई, इसमें थोड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी तो होगी बयानों के अंदर, जो ठीक है, लेकिन
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि लेजिटिमेट है, जायज है, कंट्रोवर्सी जायज है। ओके, लेट्स लिसन इन वंस अगेन व्यूअर्स। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू इन एनी वे ऑब्फस्केट द फैक्ट्स। I am not going to obfuscate the facts. I will play out the soundbite once again. Now, this is Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister of Maharashtra. Pay attention to what he says. Play it out.
प्रशासकीय बदली नाही आहे, ही बदली जे आमचा तपास चालू आहे NIA आणि ATच्या माध्यमातून, त्यामधले काही मुद्दे पुढे आलेत की ज्या पद्धतीनं पोलीस खात्याचे प्रमुख म्हणजे मुंबई पोलीसचे प्रमुख म्हणून त्यांच्या पोलीस आयुक्तालय कार्यालयात काही गंभीर चुका त्यांच्या सहकार्याच्या माध्यमातून झाल्या आहेत. त्या चुका माफ करण्यालायक नाही, गंभीर चुका आहेत आणि त्यामुळे त्यांची बदली त्या निमित्तानं करण्यात आलेली आहे. आता चौकशीमध्ये जो काही अहवाल येईल त्या निमित्तानं पुढचे जे काही असेल त्या निमित्तानं कारवाई करण्यात.
Now viewers, this is a very, very sensitive probe. This is a probe involving an explosives-laden car that is parked outside the home of the richest man in India and one of the richest in the world. And we are being told that the motive could have ranged from anything to eliminating him or extorting him. Very serious. The NIA is investigating. Explosives are not just found, viewers, in Sivakasi's factory. We are talking about gelatin sticks, which is dynamite. Devastating impact. We're not talking about, little bombs that are used in Diwali. These are major explosives packed in a car that was escorted by a top policeman. 1 minute. Who reports ostensibly. Sir, मैंने आपको चांस दिया बोलने के लिए, उस टाइम तो आप गोल मटोल कर दे. अब आप चुप रहिए ना, मेरे को बोलने दीजिए, मैं व्यूअर्स को समझा रहा हूं, ठीक है ना? 2 मिनट दीजिए मुझे. जिसको तरीके से कहते हैं ना, सच्चाई का एक ही रुख होता है सर, 2 रुख नहीं होते, मल्टीपल वर्जन नहीं होते, ठीक है ना सर? तो मेरे को 2 मिनट आप दीजिए, मुझे इंटरप्ट मत कीजिए, गलत बात है सर. मैंने आपको इंटरप्ट नहीं किया, मैंने आपको सिर्फ सवाल पूछे, आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं. मेरे को खत्म करने दीजिए, खत्म करने दीजिए सर. आप खुद ही मेरी बात पे यकीन कर रहे हैं. आप कह रहे हैं कि 2 वर्जन्स हैं, ठीक है, होता है भाई, बहुत संगीन मामला है, वेरी सीरियस इशू. व्यूअर्स, हाउ कैन देयर बी 2 massively different versions? The Home Minister of the state said that this man made serious, unforgivable. The word is unforgivable. I didn't use these words. It's the Home Minister who's using them. What is unforgivable? Means lapses which are beyond the pale. Now, if that is the case, why has there been no probe? Why was there not a suspension and a transfer? Will these lapses continue in other departments? And to what cost? Home Guard is a very serious responsibility, viewers. Very, very serious. Think about it. Think about it. We need accountability. We need accountability. Now, 1 second. Let me bring the other side in. Let me bring in Sanju Verma. Sanju Verma, look, you heard the representative of the Shiv Sena. He says, ये तो छोटा मोटा है, थोड़ा बहुत अंतर है, ये तो होता रहता है सरकारों में. So why are you making such a big deal?
जवाब नहीं देने दिया आपने.
Why are you making such a big deal?
Rahul, I think, we are all aware of this quote that, power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. But I think in the case of the Maha Vikas Aghadi, or should I say Maha Vinash Aghadi, it is the saying that it's not power that corrupts, it is the fear of loss of power that corrupts. And I think that holds absolutely true for the unholy Shiv Sena Congress NCP alliance. You very rightly pointed out that the exact phrase used by the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, is that there were unforgivable lapses in the probe of the Antilia case. Point number one. If you also listen to what Hemant Nagrale, the newly minted Mumbai Police Commissioner, had to say yesterday in his press conference, he said we want to restore the name, the image and the reputation of the Mumbai Police, which means indirectly he admitted to the fact that till date, under the erstwhile Commissioner Parambir Singh, Mumbai Police had not covered itself in glory. Point number three, Hemant Nagrale also said, going forward, we want to be seen as a competent force, which has not been the case in the last couple of months. He said this in Marathi. So let me tell the Shiv Sena representative here, please stop trying to pull wool over the eyes of the audience of Times Now and over the electorate of Maharashtra, which in the first instance never voted for you.
Okay.
It voted for Devendra Fadnavis.
Let me bring it, Siddharth
It voted
Poonawalla.
for the BJP, who was given 105 seats.
Okay, 1 second. Let me bring in Siddharth Poonawalla. Siddharth Poonawalla, why is this contradiction so important, so crucial?
राहुल सिंपली बिकॉज थोड़ा बहुत फ़र्क नहीं, ये बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है. एट द वेरी लीस्ट इफ देयर इज़ नो कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन टू पार्ट्स ऑफ द सेम गवर्नमेंट, इट शोज दैट दे आर नॉट ऑन द सेम पेज. बट दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ कवर अप, कल्यूजन, कॉन्स्पिरेसी एंड नाउ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन एंड कॉन्फ्रंटेशन. राहुल, जस्ट इमेजिन अ सिचुएशन दैट द होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र इज मेकिंग सच अ बिग रेवलेशन दैट yes indeed Parambir Singh has not done his job properly and therefore he has been shunted out, which means that A, the NIA probe stands vindicated, about which the questions were being raised by none less than Digvijay Singh and the Congress party. B, if there was some kind of lapse in the investigation by Parambir Singh, why was he just transferred? Why no action? Why no suspension? Point 3, at whose behest was Parambir Singh not being allowed to do a free and fair probe? What was that hand of support that was being extended to Mr. Waze? Was it the same hand that was being extended which said that he is not Osama bin Laden, that you should suspend him? Point number 4, why was Mr. Waze reinstated at such a hurry? Point number 5, when he was reinstated, he was made the head of the CIU and every big case being given to this officer who's at an API level, whether it's the Ritik Kangana case, whether it's the Badshah case. Point number 6, he has 3 luxury vehicles, and this luxury vehicle with which you find that there's a note counting machine. So now the point is that what was going on? Who was in connection with Mr. Waze? Why was he being defended? And most importantly, that Mr. Waze, Mr. Parambir Singh in Maharashtra does not report to the DGP of Maharashtra. He reports to the Additional Chief Secretary Home. Now the point is he is reporting to the political system. Now the political system has to tell us that why was Mr. Parambir Singh being allowed to not investigate properly, or was he being forced to not investigate properly, Mr. Waze?
Let me tell you, there's also a person dead in this case. Suspected murder. This is not just a bomb plot. This is also a murder for reasons that only point towards willful suppression of an individual who perhaps knew too much. And if these are unpardonable lapses that are being claimed by the Home Minister, what is it that he knows? What is unpardonable? The fact that the investigation was shoddy, the fact that Mr. Waze was reinstated, the fact that perhaps everyone knew that this bomb plot was being covered up, or then the murder, which was passed off like a suicide initially. What is the unforgivable aspect? Now, that can only be determined from a probe. And I want to bring in Sujata Paul, who represents the Congress, and I want to ask you, Ms. Paul, the Congress party says that it wants to govern this country in accordance with the best Gandhian principles. Surely truth was one of those. Gandhiji always emphasized the truth. If Mr. Deshmukh is emphasizing the truth today, if he's revealing it, then I want to ask you, Why are you so quiet? Why are you condemning the NIA that now stands vindicated? And vindicated through what? Through Anil Deshmukh, the Maharashtra Home Minister himself. You want me to play that out again for you? His soundbite?
No, not at all. Not
So
at
tell me, do you believe that Anil Deshmukh is a liar? That he's colluding today with the NIA to frame his own government and his chief minister? Answer me.
First of all, I don't represent the Congress party here.
Exactly.
And secondly, there are two issues. You started by talking about how this government was going to fall. As far as the police is concerned, we have police reform. We are talking about police reforms constantly. Why? Because there is corruption in the police force. And we cannot deny that there is a conspiracy. There are two matters over here, and these are two different matters. One still stays with the ATS as of now, and the other is with the NIA, which is a very serious matter. In that particular matter also, what surprises me is that, Mr. Mukesh Ambani's Antilia has CCTV footage of everything that has happened after it was noticed that the car was there, but not how the car got there. Now, as far
Miss
as
Paul, just rewind. Forget about, the Ambanis, forget about their CCTV. This is the Maharashtra Home Minister. A person holding a very responsible position. He's come out and said, he's not saying that I watched some CCTV. He's not saying that I, have looked through the files. He's saying that, listen, at the end of the day, what this man has done is unpardonable. And that's why he's being removed. Now, I'm asking you, madam, is he lying? Is the Home Minister of Maharashtra liar?
राहुल जी आपके पहले वाले सवाल का जवाब दोबारा से देना चाहूंगा
Rahul, what you started by
राहुल जी मैं
No,
आपके
I'm
सवाल का
asking you,
जवाब दोबारा से
Sujata
देना
ji,
चाहूंगा आप
please respond to me. Is he a liar? Just tell me, straight
राहुल जी, मैं
off.
आपके सवाल का जवाब दोबारा से देना चाहता हूँ
I will not say that.
You will not say that. Why won't you say that? Why won't you say that?
Rahul Singh
The Congress says that the NIA is conducting a farcical investigation. It is motivated. Either the NIA is wrong
Rahul?
or the Home Minister is wrong, or both of them are right. And therefore, if both are right, if you're saying he's not a lawyer and you're not going to refuse to call him a liar, then he's obviously being honest. So Sujata Paul, 1 minute, sir,
Rahul ji,
1 minute.
please.
1 minute, Gupta ji, 1 second. मैं आपको आने दूंगा, 2 मिनट दीजिए. आपके साथ शुरुआत की थी, आपकी दिमाग की बत्ती जली नहीं, अब मैं क्या करूं? अब थोड़े समय वेट कीजिए, हैलोजन बल्ब के जैसे थोड़ा वेट कीजिए, मैं आपके पास आता हूं. रुकिए, 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट रुकिए सर. देखिए, आपके कन्वीनियंस की दिमाग की बत्ती जलना और मेरे को आपके पास वापस आना थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. रुक जाइए, मेरी भी दिमाग की बत्ती 5 सेकंड बाद में जलेगी. 2 मिनट रुकिए. सुजाता जी, आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन. डू यू बिलीव दैट द होम मिनिस्टर इज अ लायर? जस्ट से yes or no.
Absolutely not.
He's not. Okay, if the Home Minister, the Congress sympathizer says that the Home Minister is not a liar, you see, if he's not a liar, then why isn't there an investigation going on in these unpardonable, unforgivable mistakes? That's the question. Tanvi Pruthi, maybe you are switched on. So why don't you shed some light on this? आप बताइए, if he's not a liar, then why is there not an investigation?
Exactly.
I don't want
May I
everything
please?
to happen to your own state. It's a procedure that has to be followed. Not everybody is in Uttar Pradesh. You have and the DM and there are horrible things happening.
Okay, I can't hear her. I think there's something wrong with your line, ma'am. You need to clear it up. Chetan Singh, why don't you step in? I'm sure you're switched on. You look as if you are. So tell me, sir,
right.
if the Home Minister is not lying, then why don't we have an investigation? Then who, sir, has covered up this fact? Why is Sanjay Rawat and company giving him a clean chit? I want to ask you 3 questions.
All right.
Exactly.
See, first and foremost, if you're going to talk about this investigation, who has done the investigation? The Mumbai police, the ATS. Mumbai police has come up with the fact and circumstances, evidences which are there. So therefore, there is no point blaming the Mumbai police first. Second most, Home Minister has made categorically clear, I fail to understand what
Oh my God.
Sanju Verma, Shahjad Poonawala or Rahul Shivshankar doesn't understand. Help me understand what you guys not understand so that I can help you. Third most important point, you're talking about reinstating. You talk about what is happening in
Chetan
JDU.
Singh,
Who
have
was
you
that
heard the bite?
IPS officer?
1 second,
who
have
has-
you
who
heard
has
the bite?
taken
I
the
want to
voluntary
come in here.
retirement?
By the way,
Voluntary
even as we
retirement,
speak,
and
viewers-
he has come
I
back.
want to come in here,
Voluntary
Rahul, please.
retirement, and he has,
Okay,
and he
Sanju
has been
Verma,
reinstated.
1 second, 1 second.
For 30 years. for
Chetan
30
Singh ji, 1 minute, please. Don't digress from the topic. Come back to the topic, sir, please. Can I ask you the question?
No,
First
I
of
am
all,
not digressing it.
Okay,
I
let's
think
go.
there is some
देखिए, मैं
interpretation required, serious
आपको
interpretation
सीक्वेंस
required,
समझाता
which is not
हूँ.
happening.
क्रोनोलॉजी दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको. मेरी बात सुनिए. मामला हुआ.
No.
मामला हुआ. ATS बैठी.
बताइए.
ATS बैठी.
बिल्कुल हुआ.
उसके बाद NIA आई. NIA के बाद
किसको रिपोर्ट करती है?
एक मिनट सर, मेरी बात सुन लीजिए.
किसको रिपोर्ट करती है?
मेरी बात तो सुन लीजिए सर. मेरी बात तो सुन लीजिए. ATS सर रिपोर्ट करती है महाराष्ट्र होम मिनिस्ट्री को. सही बात है ना? और अगर मिनिस्ट्री ने
करेक्ट
और उनके जो मंत्री हैं उन्होंने कह दिया कि भाई परमवीर सिंह ने बहुत घोर गलती की है, लैप्स की है, तो इसका मतलब ATS को भी यही पता होगा.
बिल्कुल.
अगर ATS को ये पता है सर, तो आज परमवीर सिंह को
So you must congratulate
सस्पेंड
the
क्यों नहीं
Mumbai.
किया?
You must congratulate
उनके
the Home
खिलाफ. अरे
Ministry.
भाई साहब, मेरी बात तो सुन लीजिए. मेरी
No,
बात
no,
तो
no,
सुन
no,
लीजिए.
no, please.
I am commending. I think ATS has done a fantastic job by exposing if what the Home Minister says.
And
Mr.
it is
Paramveer
reports to
Singh
Home Minister,
and
so
this
therefore the
grave
Maharashtra
lapse. So if
government,
he is right,
Mahavikas Aghadi
then
is
tell
doing
me
a
why hasn't
fabulous
the
job.
Aghadi Sarkar, sir, suspended this individual? Why is it transferred him? One, why is there no case
Rahul?
that is being filed for this grave lapse, unpardonable lapse? ये जवाब दीजिए, क्योंकि अगर सर
Okay.
केस नहीं फाइल है तो
Okay.
इसका मतलब सर
Okay,
सरकार भी
okay.
कल्यूट कर रही है. आप चोर को पकड़ोगे और उसको
Correct,
बोलोगे नहीं
correct.
पप्पू,
Direct question
ऐसा है
and you'll
कि
get a direct
आपने
answer
चोरी
to
तो
it.
की, मगर मैं आपको एक नौकरी दिला देता हूं एक और जगह. आप बैठे रहिए, आप कोई चिंता, आपको जेल जाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
अच्छा.
आपको कचेरी में हम नहीं ले जाएंगे, हम आपको एक अच्छी नई नौकरी देंगे जहां पर आप चमकना 2-3 साल और. ये कैसे हो सकता है सर?
Exactly.
अब आप मुझे बताइए चेतन सिंह सी.
Right. So Rahul,
Chronology
Rahul,
बताइए.
I think okay. Great question, and you'll get a direct answer to this. See what exactly has happened, that the Mahavikas Aghadi has taken this into their consideration, and therefore they have taken this step forward. And we have
Mr.
also
Chetan
seen
Singh, I
who
know you
were
come
with
on as a
them in
pretend
alliance
lawyer.
for many
Mr.
years, for
Paramveer
many
Singh is a
decades.
DGP
Third,
rank
Mr.
officer.
Pandey, the
So
ITS
if
Mr.
the Maharashtra
Pandey, who
ATS has found
taken a
something
voluntary
incriminating in
retirement,
the way he was
fought the
conducting a
election,
probe, he should be
lost it,
suspended for a free
again
and
he
fair
got
probe even by the
reinstated.
Maharashtra
So
ATS.
therefore,
Point number one.
let the law,
Point
let
number
the
two, if the
investigation
NIA
take
is
its
doing a
own
good
course,
job,
then
why
only
is
you will be in
Digvijay
a
Singh raising
position to
questions on
make
the
it
NIA? Point
and
number three,
share it
if
with the
Mr.
people.
Anil Deshmukh is
like
not
this.
lying,
Not
then
like
in
this.
effect is
Here,
Mr. Shiv Sena Sanjay Raut lying
look,
when he
Shehzad,
said it was a
this is
field
very
transfer.
happening.
Three
This
questions.
kind of a rhetoric, your hate
It is not
there
one
minute.
for the Congress party is not going to help like this.
You see, the point is
No,
when people
no,
are given to
absolutely clear.
obfuscation,
Mahavikas
everything else
Aghadi
will
has done a
sound like
commendable
rhetoric
job.
and noise. Sanju Verma, I want to ask you this question now. And this is an important question. It's a very important question. Do you believe that the time has come for the NIA to
Yes.
widen the ambit of its probe? That's the single question that I'm asking you. And will today
But who has
the
NIA
center
has
get to the
who has
bottom of
given
this
these
by
facts and
expanding the
evidence to
ambit
NIA?
of this
It is
probe?
the ATS.
That's the question.
Rahul, I think that's a very, very valid question, and I think yes. My answer without any ifs and buts is that the NIA has enough material in its possession, and I'm sure that the ambit of the probe will be widened, because don't forget one very important thing which Devendra Fadnavis mentioned in his press conference. He said that I provided details of the CDR on the floor of the assembly, and just in a few weeks there were 55 calls exchanged between Mansukh Hiren and Sachin Waze. Point number one. He also said that till date Uddhav Thackeray has not come clean on the fact that did Sachin Waze officially resign from the Shiv Sena, because don't forget he was appointed as Shiv Sena spokesperson in 2008.
2008.
See, what is the status of the
Okay,
fresh
so 1 minute.
extortion case?
1 minute.
that was
So on that
filed
point,
against Sachin Waze
Sanju
in
ji, on that point, 1 second,
2017.
Chetan Singh, just keep quiet, 30 seconds. On that point, Sanju Verma, counter question coming to you, and there's breaking news. Okay, there are too many people speaking. We're going to go to breaking news. 1 second. Sanju Verma, counter question. Now remember, the case against Waze could have been prosecuted in 2018 itself. But your government, which was in alliance with the Shiv Sena, ma'am, could not find a public prosecutor either. I find that amazing. Don't you also find it amazing? Or will you defend that lapse? Yes, no.
No, Rahul, the fact is that Mr. Fadnavis has said there was tremendous pressure on him to get Sachin Waze back into the police force, and he put his foot down.
But
So
there was
there
no
I think
pressure
you
on
need to
him
give
not
the
to begin
BJP
the
and
investigation. He
Fadnavis
could have
credit
begun the
for it.
investigation and the court case. The
I
court
want to
case
add
was
one
on.
thing.
The court case,
No,
you only
Rahul,
needed to have a public prosecutor appointed, which you didn't.
Chetan Singh have been, mounting
Okay,
homilies about
breaking news
the
coming in.
greatness
Let
of
me go
Shiv
straight
Sena.
across to
Tell me.
Rakesh. Let's put that out very quickly. We are being told that Sachin Waze, who is a tainted officer arrested today by the NIA, has begun to spill the beans. What is he saying? Let's go straight across to Rakesh. Rakesh, what's happening on the ground?
Yes. Rahul, we are learning from our sources that now Sachin Waze, who was a tough man to crack down earlier, now has started spilling beans. In fact, now NI sources are also telling us that somewhere he is now accepting his involvement to some extent. Right now, he's been investigated about his role, and especially the role of that Scorpio car, which was being used by him for last 4 months between November to February. In fact, after that, on his own revelations, these cars are seized by the NI, whether it was a Mercedes car or a Prado car or other cars. So now, though he has given, he started giving some information, and based on his information, NI team has been raiding different places and recovering these cars. So now, NI team also looking for 2 more cars. One is the white Mercedes and another
Well,
is
the
the
news
Skoda
is
car.
tightening,
right
viewers,
now,
and there has been a revelation. Is that revelation connected to the fact that the NI is going to come up with incriminating evidence which will become impossible to deny? That's the fundamental question. If Mr. Deshmukh is telling the truth, and there's no reason to think otherwise, why hasn't an investigation been carried out into the grave, unpardonable mistakes? Shahzad, very quickly, 2 points from you, summing this up. Very quickly, 2 points.
No, the latest breaking news that you've given, it changes the entire dimension of the case, because everybody knows that Shiv Sena leaders have close links with Sachin Waze, and if he's singing like a canary, this would mean that Shiv Sena would be very, very nervous, and especially with the disclosure of the Home Minister that grave mistakes were made in the investigation. NCP has already dumped Parambir. Who will they dump next is the question.
That is fundamentally important, viewers. Is the NCP now beginning to get nervous enough to distance themselves from the goings-on within the administration, leaving the Shiv Sena to deal with the entire issue? I'm taking a short break. We're coming right back. The story gets bigger. Out of Bengal, viewers.